Azaman Academy.
Hello, students. Welcome to this interesting session. How many times have you been challenged to understand and pass an exam for a course? Today, I will share with you the common mistakes that students make in their remedies. Common mistakes students make in class and exams vary depending on the subject, level of study, and individual learning styles. While scientific studies might not directly address common mistakes of students, research in education and cognitive psychology can offer insights into effective learning strategies and behaviors that can help students avoid these mistakes. Here are some common mistakes students make in class and exams, along with advice grounded in scientific principles. Mistake number 1, procrastination, or waiting until the last minute to study or complete assignments. To accelerate your excellence, utilize the spacing effect, a well-established phenomenon in cognitive psychology that suggests that information is better retained when studied over spaced intervals rather than through mass practice or cramming. Create a spaced study schedule to distribute learning sessions over time, enhancing long-term retention and understanding. Mistake number 2, lack of active participation. Passively attending lectures or not engaging in class discussions. To be energetic, apply the principles of active learning, supported by numerous studies that demonstrate that actively engaging with course material through discussions, problem solving, and peer teaching promotes deeper understanding and retention. Actively participate in class activities, ask questions, and seek clarification to enhance learning outcomes. Mistake number 3, skipping classes or thinking you can catch up later. To avoid this mistake, consider the value of retrieval practice, a highly effective learning strategy supported by cognitive psychology research. Attending classes provides opportunities for active retrieval of information, reinforcing learning and retention. Regular attendance facilitates frequent retrieval practice, contributing to better academic performance. Mistake number 4, not asking for help when needed. This means failing to seek clarification when confused or struggling with a concept. To use our best minds, embrace the benefits of metacognition, the awareness and understanding of one's own thought processes, which is associated with improved academic performance. Recognize when assistance is needed, actively monitor understanding, and employ strategies such as self-questioning and seeking feedback from instructors or peers to address areas of difficulty. Mistake number 5. Poor time management. This is underestimating the time needed to study or complete assignments. To run with time, implement effective time management techniques grounded in principles of self-regulated learning, such as setting specific, achievable goals and utilizing time blocking strategies. Break tasks into smaller, manageable segments, allocate sufficient time for studying and assignment completion, and monitor progress to optimize productivity and learning outcomes. Mistake number 6, ignoring feedback, or not reviewing feedback on assignments or exams. Remember, we stood on the shoulders of giants. Just emphasize the importance of feedback in the learning process, as supported by research indicating that timely, specific feedback enhances student performance and learning outcomes. Actively engage with feedback from instructors, identify areas for improvement, and use feedback as a guide for refining study strategies and academic performance. Mistake number 7, not reviewing material regularly. This refers to only studying material right before exams without regular review throughout the course. To affirm determinations, capitalize on the benefits of distributed practice, a well-established learning strategy demonstrating that spacing study sessions over time leads to superior retention compared to mass practice. Implement regular review sessions of course material throughout the semester to reinforce learning, promote long-term retention, and mitigate the effects of forgetting. Mistake number 8, overlooking instructions for assignments or exams. Remember, precautions are for your safety. Highlight the significance of attention and metacognitive awareness in task completion, emphasizing the need to thoroughly read and comprehend instructions before initiating any assignment or exam. Encourage students to engage in active reading strategies, such as summarization and self-questioning, to ensure comprehension of task requirements and facilitate successful completion. Mistake number 9. Relying solely on memorization. attempting to memorize information without understanding the underlying concepts. To maintain your creativity and intelligence, foster the deep processing of information by encouraging students to engage in elaborative rehearsal, a cognitive strategy involving the meaningful integration of new information with existing knowledge structures. Emphasize comprehension and application of concepts over rote memorization, promoting deeper understanding and the transfer of learning to novel contexts. Mistake number 10. Test anxiety. As far as you have been preparing and coming to take the exam, you are on top of your success. Introduce evidence-based strategies for managing test anxiety, such as cognitive restructuring and stress reduction techniques. Teach students to reframe negative thoughts about exams, emphasizing the opportunity for demonstrating knowledge and skills rather than viewing assessments as threats. Encourage relaxation techniques, mindfulness practices, and adequate preparation to mitigate test anxiety and optimize performance. Generally, by integrating these evidence-based strategies into academic practices, students can cultivate effective learning habits, enhance academic performance, foster long-term retention of course material, and boost creativity and intelligence. Which one have you encountered so far? And how did you overcome it? Please share your feelings and feedback so that others will learn from it. If we meet your expectations,
Academic.
please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Academic.